the Phoenix is a healing Qigong. It mainly clears blockages in the body. So what do we have as blockages inside? Anything that flows inside the body may be blocked. Like we have edema, the liquid, they do not flow. So we need the flowing to be smooth and regular to keep the body healthy and clear of pain. We have the fascia in between the lumps of muscles. Sometimes we overwork the muscles, lumps of muscle press together. If we exercise our Qi flow, it clears the blockage. Therefore, we relieve pain. And also, we need to balance the inside, to balance the organs. Like, if the fire in the heart is too strong, you get very hot-tempered. If the kidneys are weak, the water is cool and we're very cold all the time. So the 5 elements inside the body need to be balanced. The Phoenix Qigong works at the Qi flow along the meridians, clearing the disturbance to the flow in the meridians. Therefore, we balance the strength of the organ, and the body becomes stronger, and we have better immunity against illness, and we will have less stress. In order to keep ourselves healthy, we have this Phoenix, the healing Qigong.